Hello, and today I'm gonna uh, build a PC. So let's go. So I already bought the parts, all the parts I bought, and now we'll proceed to the building part. So first, need the standoffs. Need to screw in the standoffs here. And then we need to install the power this power supply. Next we need to install the IO port. Then we need to install the motherboard. Okay, after that we need to install the CPU. So we need to open here and then install the CPU. Then we will apply thermal paste to it. And next we need the CPU cooler. Choose under cooling, stock cooler, and then we need to install it. Next is the graphics card. The graphics card is here, and you install it here. Okay, after that is the RAM. So DRAM's under memory and HyperX DDR3 memory, and we need to install it, but we need to open these first. And then we need to install it one by one. Okay, next up is the hard disk drive. And install it here. Lastly is the fan. So use the fan, install it here. Okay, and that's all. This is the finished PC without the cabling. So thank you for watching.